This tutorial will go through how to use the Insta360 Link controller software for Link 2 and Link 2C. Download an installation. Download the Link controller software from the Insta360 website downloads page. After downloading the software, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. To access features such as Smart Whiteboard Mode and background blur, you need to allow the virtual camera. When opening the controller for the first time on a Mac computer, go to Privacy and Security and click Allow to enable the virtual camera. On Windows computers, click Install Now to enable the virtual camera. Interface. You will see the following in the controller interface: Preview, Modes and Parameters, Settings. Preview. Video preview is on by default. On Mac computers, you can use the webcam as the video source in third-party platforms and software while previewing in the controller. To use the webcam as the video source in third-party platforms and software on a Windows computer, turn the preview off in the controller. Resolution and frame rate. In landscape mode, select the resolution and frame rate according to your needs, or enable low resolution mode. In portrait mode, you need to enable portrait resolution in the controller software. Then select a 9:16 resolution in the controller. Specialized modes. Link 2 has 4 specialized modes for every scenario: AI tracking, whiteboard mode, smart whiteboard mode, and desk view mode. Link 2C also has 4 specialized modes: auto framing, whiteboard mode, smart whiteboard mode, and desk view mode. Screenshot and screen recording. Click to quickly take a screenshot or screen recording and save the file to your computer. Adjust framing. When using Link 2, long press the joystick to control the gimbal direction and adjust the framing. You can also zoom in and out. When using Link 2C, set the zoom to 1.1 or higher and drag the green box to adjust the framing. You can save your favorite positions and modes as presets to quickly access them. Click between presets to quickly change the framing when using the webcam. Tracking settings. With Link 2, you can set the smart composition, pause track area, and tracking speed, and enable auto tracking and touch key tracking. After enabling the pause track area, you can set pause areas where the webcam will stop tracking you. Tracking resumes once you re-enter the tracking area. You can view all the pause track areas by clicking Auto Panorama. When using Link 2C, turn on auto framing to use Smart Composition to quickly adjust the composition. Parameters and effects. You can manually adjust parameters such as exposure, brightness, saturation, and more, and save them as presets to quickly access your favorite settings later. For a more professional look, you can enable natural bokeh. Alternatively, you can use background blur or background replacer for privacy. Select Insta360 Virtual Camera as the video source to use the virtual backgrounds in third-party platforms and software. Gesture control. Link 2 recognizes 3 gestures to start and stop AI tracking, start and stop whiteboard mode, and zoom in or out. Link 2C also recognizes 3 gestures to start and stop auto framing, start and stop whiteboard mode, and zoom in or out. You can use gesture control for easier operation. You can also disable individual gestures. Horizontal correction. If the angle looks uneven, enable horizontal correction to keep the horizon level. Audio modes. There are 3 audio modes to tailor to your surroundings. In quiet environments, it's recommended to use voice focus to eliminate ambient noise. In noisy environments, choose voice suppression to filter out nearby voices and background noise. For content creation in live streams, use music balance to balance your voice with external background music. Toolbar mode. Click Toolbar mode to collapse the controller. You can quickly adjust the framing and zoom in and out in third-party platforms and software. Settings. In Settings, you can switch languages, change the layout, update the firmware, and more. Thanks for watching the Insta360 Link controller tutorial.